In the grand theater of life, respect is the standing ovation you deserve. Welcome, my friends, to another journey of self-improvement, where we explore 6 timeless ways to earn and command respect. Way number 1, be true to your word. Let your words be your bond, they say. When you make a promise, keep it. Your integrity is the cornerstone of respect. Way number 2, show empathy and kindness. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. Small acts of kindness ripple through the universe and earn you respect in abundance. Way number 3, listen more, speak less. As Epictetus wisely noted, we have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak. When you listen, you connect with others on a profound level. Way number 4, lead with humility. True humility is not thinking less of yourself, it is thinking of yourself less, said C.S. Lewis. Humble leaders inspire loyalty and respect. Way number 5, demonstrate consistency. Consistency is the hallmark of the unimaginative, said Oscar Wilde. In a world of unpredictability, your consistency earns trust and respect. Way number 6, be resilient. Life will test you. It's not a matter of if but when. Your ability to bounce back from adversity showcases your strength and earns the admiration of others. My friends, respect is not given, it's earned through your actions and character. Embrace these 6 ways as your guiding principles on the path to respect. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-improvement. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.